Let's just take a minute real quick before we start this to pray to the eyebrow gods for them to be kind to me as I attempt this, because I'm not gonna block these out or anything. And I really need this to work.
Napreda hodis mehelo Chartozite besmaivina Netahinyoto poznaje Zveta dahobnavim
I'm trying something new today, and that is sort of diluting this with water. It's not really a consistency that can be diluted, but it's, the sponge is wet and it is diluting, and it feels weird. I don't like it. My lesson from doing the contortionist makeup from Curios, and then when I go to put them on my face, they do nonsense like this, and I don't know that it's gonna happen. And that lesson is that you don't set anything until all of your creams are on. And this seems really obvious, but I am a fool, apparently, and I have to learn things the hard way, I guess. Like, the wig that dude actually wears, like, ends, like, here, so that you can actually see this bit, but, you know, I don't live my life with turf bangs, so. For real though, I look just like him. Like, I'm not kidding. Like, look at this. That's me. Except he has a better jawline. Look it! Like, look, like, that's me!